Welcome to JobPrism, your complete career spectrum. We are your one-stop destination for everything related to government jobs, exam preparation, and the latest current affairs. Whether you are preparing for UPSC, SSC, banking, or just want to stay updated with the world, you are in the right place. We have curated the most important headlines of the day to keep you ahead of the curve. So, without further delay, let's visit the news section and look at today's top stories. Chhattisgarh Assembly kicks off, tribal focus and political battles ahead. Chhattisgarh's winter legislative session starts today in Raipur, with the governor unveiling the state government's key priorities. Tribal welfare, mining laws, forest rights, and rural projects will dominate discussions over the next 3 weeks. Opposition Congress may challenge BJP on unemployment, law enforcement, and welfare scheme rollouts. Expect heated debates on governance and regional concerns. Session promises to shape economic and social policies for the coming year. Congress gathers for protest, mass rally against voter roll errors. Congress holds a massive rally today at Ram Leela Maidan to protest electoral issues. Thousands of supporters, including Gandhi family members, will attend. Allegations point to voter list deletions and demand electoral fairness. The rally aims to pressure authorities on transparency concerns. Opposition blames systematic manipulation of electoral rolls. India's polio fight, mass drive hits streets for lasting victory. Mass polio immunization efforts kick off in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar today, aiming to vaccinate over 250,000 children under 5 at thousands of booths. Health teams will reach every home to guarantee full coverage, especially for those missed at stations. India's polio-free status since 2014 depends on these routine drives to prevent any resurgence. Experts stress maintaining high participation to uphold global health progress. The mission underscores India's commitment to eradicating polio for good. Providence's campus in chaos. Suspect still flees after a deadly shooting. A suspect remains at large after a deadly shooting at Brown University on December 13, killing 2 people and injuring 9 others. The attack occurred during final exams, with the shooter reportedly in black attire. Campus security has kept lockdowns in effect, urging students and staff to stay indoors as authorities hunt for the suspect. The manhunt stretches into Sunday, with no updates on the shooter's whereabouts. Authorities are urging the public to remain vigilant. Messi's Kolkata fan frenzy turns wild. Stadium chaos sparks outrage. A high-energy but chaotic Messi fan experience in Kolkata left thousands frustrated as tickets failed to deliver promised star time. Angry supporters stormed Salt Lake Stadium, smashing chairs and hurling bottles after organizers botched logistics and suspected ticket fraud. West Bengal's Mamata Banerjee apologized to both Messi and fans, vowing an investigation. The event's lead organizer was arrested by police amid growing unrest. The incident highlights deep fan dissatisfaction with mismanagement at major celebrity events. India's historic clash, Squash World Cup final stakes rise in Chennai. India faces its first ever Squash World Cup final today, making history after an unexpected semi-final win over defending champions Egypt. The Indian team, led by Abhay Singh and featuring Anath Singh and Tanvi Khanna, outplayed Egypt with relentless tactics and dominance. Their victory marks a breakthrough moment for squash in India, raising hopes of a medal. This performance could rewrite the country's squash legacy in the tournament. Fans and experts now watch closely as India aims for a historic triumph. Cricket's youth showdown. India versus Pakistan under-19 battle heats up. India's under-19 cricket team faces off against Pakistan in a high-stakes ACC Under-19 Asia Cup match today, marking a rare neutral venue clash. Fans are buzzing as both sides seek to assert dominance in youth cricket. Star player Vaibhav Suryavanshi, now a superstar in the IPL, is leading India's charge. The match promises thrilling action as young talents vie for global recognition. Clutch T20 showdown, India versus South Africa in Dharamshala's high stakes. India and South Africa face off in a high-pressure third T20I at Dharamshala's Himachal Pradesh Cricket Association Stadium tonight at 7 p.m. EST. The series remains tied 1-1 after South Africa's 51-run win in Mohali, while India's 101-run victory in Cuttack set the stage. A decisive win could shift momentum, with both teams aiming for a series lead. The match promises thrilling action as fans brace for a dramatic finish. Headline: Delhi schools switch to hybrid mode amid toxic air. Delhi's Education Board has mandated all schools to operate in hybrid mode for grades 9 and 11, despite extreme air pollution. The city's air quality index is classified as severe, raising health concerns for students. Parents can now decide whether to send children to school or attend classes remotely. The directive follows Stage 4 of the GRAP, Graded Response Action Plan. Schools must balance safety with learning continuity. Punjab's grassroots votes kick off today, local democracy in full swing. Punjab voters are casting ballots today for Zila Parishad and Panchayat Samiti elections, marking the start of a high-stakes local poll. With 12,000 polling stations and heavy security, the elections aim to ensure smooth and orderly participation. The Aam Aadmi Party faces scrutiny as these polls set the stage for upcoming assembly elections. Thousands of officials are deployed to uphold peace amid tight security measures. This vote reflects the state's deep-rooted democratic tradition at the grassroots level. That wraps up our top 10 headlines for today. But remember, this is just a snapshot. We have updated 10+ more headlines on international relations, science, and polity on our platform. Don't just watch the news, master it. Visit JobPrism.work right now to read the full detailed breakdown. The link is in the description below. Hit that subscribe button to stay ahead of the competition. See you tomorrow.